Alright guys, hopefully you're able to skip the ad. You're in here now. Crypto Rocketeer was first, and Steve Danger was first, as always. Good deal. We got an almost first from Hungry Caveman. Glad we got a lot of firsts out there today. I lost my club. What's your excuse? Hungry Caveman. Nobody knows. Two-thirds of us are hungry. And the Hungry Caveman lost his club. Hungry Chair. What's your excuse, man? Too lazy to cook. That is also a good excuse to be hungry. Nikev says, Danger. What's going on, Steve Danger? How you doing? Donnell is in the house. What's up, Donnell? How you doing? Looking good, Donnell, as always. Thanks, Hungry Caveman, for sure. Hello, all you glorious apes. Hello to Frodo as well. What's going on, man? I'm cool is number 8. Shoot, man. Number 8's a good number. I like it. Charlie, yo, what's happening, Charlie? What's up, boys? What's going on, Harmon? LFG, AMC. Pringleton. I saw the email, dude. I saw the email. You're the man. You're the man. Pringleton's hooking me up with a I don't know, affiliate opportunity for, oh god, what's the Manscaped. Pringleton, you're the man, dude. Good news. Nicky Ricky, we always got good news in here. What's going on? Clay, what a wonderful day in the AMC neighborhood. I know, Frodo. I'm thinking the same thing, man. Beautiful day in the AMC neighborhood. We're still up on the day. We're still green, even though we've come back down a little bit. We're doing pretty well. We tapped a low this morning of about 36.30, and now we're chilling here around 37.30, 37.24 currently. But we are green on the day. I guess it's going to be a battle for green or red today. Let's throw a little horizontal line on here at yesterday's previous close. 37.19. That puts us right here is our break-even point, guys. That's the line we got to close above if we ever expect to close in the green today. Evening, Clay, and all you good people. Alan, good evening to you, man. SD says, a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day indeed, SD. And Nini Waka in the house, baby. What's going on, Nini Waka? Clay, living with Mr. Simon. How you doing, man? Did you get your pontoon, SD? Did we need to know if SD got a pontoon? SD didn't contact me about it, so we don't know. Nice red day in the market. Green for me. Javier. Anytime you can do better than the market, man, you're killing it. 1111 Simon, what's going on with you? Crypto Rocketeer, Nini Waka, hey ya. Oh, man, you guys are all friends. You guys are all friends. I love it, man. Just saying hello to everybody else. I dig that right there. Heck yeah. Good deal, guys. Making friends in the neighborhood. The beautiful AMC neighborhood. How was your lunch? Did you guys have a good lunch break? Did you? I need to know. All right, what do we have here? AMC bouncing off of that line a little bit, going a little bit higher, 37.33. Hopefully, we continue to move to the upside. Retest the third. Let's actually, I want to see this on a 4-hour chart. I want to see how many times we've tested this 38. Okay, we've tested it quite often. Yeah, it still seems to be holding up pretty well here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Yeah, 38 seems to be the level we gotta break. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I would love to just rip through 38 like we did last time and run higher. All the way to 48. That would be amazing. Yes, I had hot Cheetos. Nice, Mr. Simon. That sounds like a very good lunch indeed. Had Subway. You? Man, Subway. Subway actually sounds good. So I only had protein for lunch today. I did not eat any actual food. I'm thinking about either fried rice or quesadilla since I typically eat those often. I'm thinking about fried rice or quesadilla tonight. I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with. What if AMC volume is low because of loss of interest to new traders? I hope not. I'm cool. I do think that the decline in volume is a loss of interest in new traders, but I don't think that's the majority of it. I think the majority of the loss in volume are the day traders that were in AMC like falling off and leaving because of the decrease in volatility. So volatility is decreasing, therefore there's less opportunity for day traders to make money. They go to other stocks, and people who are holding AMC are doing just that. We're continuing to hold AMC. That's why the price isn't falling with the volume falling, because those of us that do hold AMC are continuing to hold AMC. If AMC closes above 40, my neighbor said he would jump over a moving car. Since he's a midget, this could get interesting. Johnstontown, real car or like a remote control car? You always got to ask these questions, dude, because these people, they get technical with you. And they say, well, I didn't know what kind of car I was going to jump over. Dude, he might be talking about a Hot Wheels car, okay? You always got to ask what kind of car they mean. Clay, eat the spicy gummy. Dude, I need to. I should just go buy spicy peppers and then like eat them and cry in front of you guys, since you guys like watching people cry. Down $1,700 and still holding. Peter, I'm actually up. I'm not down on my portfolio or on my AMC, so I'm still holding as well though. And the fact that you are still holding, I love it, man. Show them we don't play with spicy chips. We play the real game with the spicy gummy bear. Dude, I'll eat everything spicy. Look at Tony! Thank you very much for the Petey Pete, man. El Petey Petey, El Petey Petey, El Petey 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 Pete. El Petey 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 Pete. A look at Tony, a look at Tony. A look at Tony, look at Tony, look at Tony. A look at Tony, look at Tony, look at Tony. El Petey Petey, El Petey Petey. You guys better be doing it with me. El Petey Petey, El Petey Petey. El Petey 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 Pete. A look at Tony, look at Tony, look at Tony. A look at Tony, a look at Tony. El Petey 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 Pete. Thank you very much, look at Tony, for the El Petey Pete there, man. I appreciate that. All the super chats, you guys are absolutely awesome. That is probably one of my favorite super stickers right there. It gets me a little warm, gets the blood going, and sets us up for a very good time. Thank you very much, Luca Tony. I'm back. Marine Corps Brad, I'm so glad you're in here. Same as me, Harmon. I missed what Harmon had to say, I think. Yes, Brian, dumped your 19 million rupees. Dude, you get 19 million rupees? Sick, man. You're rich. Oh, trust me, I'm holding at my 1360 average. I was just curious. Thanks for your advice, Clip. Yeah, I'm cool. I think that's what it means though. So I think we're still good. 37, then 38, then 39, then 40, then 60, then 80, then 100, then 250, then 40, then 75, 750, then 1,000, then 1,500, then 2,000, then 2,500, then 3,000, then 35. Then I sell. Florida Sun, man. Nice, dude. I'm on board with you, Florida Sun. Let's do that. Brilliant. Thank you, Princeton. Hey, you're crazy in a good way. You're crazy, Frederick. Mank lad. Mank lad. Is that like Manchester lad? Is that what we got going on here? I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, Mr. Mank lad. Thank you very much for the super chat. Buy a coffee. You deserve it. Shoot, man. Look, I just bought a coffee from this morning. You deserve it, Mank lad. Thank you very much. Let's sip of the coffee for you. Fresh as it was 5 hours ago, guys. Fresh as it was 5 hours ago. Thank you very much, Manchester lad. I appreciate that. I'm pretty sure you are from Manchester, right? Weren't you the one that was talking to Crypto Rocketeer a little bit earlier? And then he's like, dude, your Manchester group is growing. And I'm like, I don't even know how everybody knows about me in the United Kingdom, but it's awesome. Thank you very much, Mank lad. I appreciate that. And I don't know how to say that. Like, Manchester lad, Mank lad, is that how you would do it? Or how do you say that Mank part? Is it Mank? Manch? The Manch? Hey, Clay. How you been, bro? Long live Ethiopia. I've been good. How you been, bro? Marine Corps Brat. Peace out. Crypto Rocketeer. Oh, Jennifer Moffat. Hello, Jen. How you doing? Clay, you almost made me wreck laughing at a red light, so I was able to text. Nice! Marine Corps Brat, please don't ever wreck, okay? Listen, I don't want to have to visit everybody in the hospital that wrecks their car because they were watching my live stream. Do not do that. I would rather visit you at your house and like just enjoy a nice dinner together or something instead of going out and doing all these dangerous things. Long live Ethiopia! Thank you for the super chat. Long live Ethiopia. Hope we will squeeze soon. My visa has expired. Shoot, man. Like your Visa credit card or your actual visa to stay in the United States? Now I'm concerned. Run, dude. Run. You gotta hide, man. If your visa's expired, find a sponsor. Or go MasterCard. Short, not shirt. Ooh, Crypto Rocketeer say that's a big coffee for 25. Yes, he's a Mancunian from Manchester. Short, Mank. Mancunian? Dude, that's what you guys call people from Manchester? Is it Mancunian? Mancunian? Mancunian. I don't know how to do it, man. Clay, glad you are on the up and up. Dude, I'm glad you're on the up and up, Space Apin, for real. What price we close? Ooh, J, 86. Good question. All right, let's analyze this here. What price do we close at today? Let's see what we got going on. Weeble, where are you? Okay, Weeble is right here. What price do we close at today? Dang, downtrend. But we got a lot of support in this area. We're going to bounce off this line right here. We're going to get some more resistance right in this area. Unfortunately, we're closing at 37.49 today. I would have loved to close above 38, but we're closing at 37.49. 37.49 is the line. It is always white when it is my guess. 37.49 is where we close today. Anybody else think we're closing to 37.49? If you think higher, great. If you think lower, probability is in your favor. Are any of you guys in Doge? I do not have any Doge at the moment. Harmon, you got Doge? You better like this stream. Pancakes! Facts. You guys better like the stream though. For real. Help me out, please. Out of interest, and don't have to answer, but was there an increase in super chats and stickers after the last run-up? I can't remember. Just wondering if people get more generous before or after. Yeah, Pringleton. So, back in... they get... And here's the thing. I don't know if people get more generous necessarily during the run-ups, but there definitely is an increase in overall activity. So that means more super chats, that means more viewers. But like if you go back to when we started to run out at the end of May and early June, there were roughly anywhere from like 900 to 1,500 people in here at any given time. So simply because of the fact that there were a lot of people in here, I believe that also led to some more super chats as well. So, I can't myself say that it's directly because of people are more generous if the stock is running up, or if it's the fact that there's more people in here and therefore increases super chats more often and stuff. But overall engagement was increased during that time, because if you look at it too, and we could honestly say drastically increased, because I don't remember the number of subscribers that I had back at the end of May and June. But it was probably low 20s or starting to break into the 20s. I'm sure it was somewhere around that area in there. So, like to have 1,500 people in here when you got 22,000 subscribers, and to have 100 people in here when you get 34,000 subscribers, you know, that's a big difference too. So people are overall more interested in it when the stock price is running. Jennifer says stay green. We will stay green. Who's holding BBIG? I do not have any BBIG. Do you guys? Stay green. That's why I got that line on there. We better stay green, Jen. We're going to stay green. They're going to let it run for a bit and make these call options more enticing. Well, shoot, man. That's okay. I'm okay with people buying call options. How about Doge is a new trader, and it ain't doing too hot, but still holding because I refuse to take a loss. Nice, Harmon. Here's the deal, though, man. I don't think the Doge community's going anywhere. I think that people are very interested in Doge, and if it gets a little bit of excitement and a little bit of fire coming back to it pretty soon, then you'll be just fine. You know, the bad thing is, ooh, that's a nice candle. Let's watch that candle. The bad thing is, you know, people, they rely on that excitement in order to watch the price of those assets like Doge and Shiba and stuff trade higher. So you gotta wait for it to come back too. I like when you yell at me. That's pancakes. I like you too, and I know it is. I'm disliking because I don't like being told what to do. Click that dislike button, Max Greenfield. If you click the dislike button, that means you click the like button, right? How far does reverse psychology go? Mank Union, you said good. Mank Union, I said good. Good deal, man. Mank Union is good. Who left our Clay Road channel? Get him with my wrench. Dude, I don't know. There was just a lot of people in here when it was running up. Clay, would you live to see... Clay would live to see you jump on one of Matt's streams. He needs some of your positive energy. Would love to see. Well, Frederick, I've been on Matt's stream several times, man. I've been on there several times. I get lost in the chat, dude. No attention over there. Thanks, Clay. Harmon. Absolutely, man. PROG getting $2. Woo-hoo-hoo! PROG getting $2 at AMC ripping right now, guys. Things are looking good. End of day. I like it. Ugandan Toads going 37.51 end of day. Very nice. Getting whiplash from that AMC ticker. Christine, it's moving right now, isn't it? Does a dislike also count as engagement? So is a dislike better than nothing? Pringleton, as far as I know, yes. Okay, as far as I know, it is still engagement. YouTube just wants to see people, commenting on a video, being enticed by the video, getting some sort of a reaction out of the video. So I think, and I don't know, man. People tell you all day yes, but I really don't know how far it goes, because roughly all of my videos have roughly a 10% like ratio. So if I get 10,000 views, I got 1,000 likes. If I get 5,000 views, it's got about 500 likes. And one of the videos I did, I asked you guys to just click the like button, even if you didn't like the video, so that we could see if YouTube continues to recommend the video until the like ratio reaches around 10% or so on. But no, that video had about 2,000 likes and still only got 10,000 views. So I don't know how important the like ratio and so on is for, I don't know, continued recommendations of content to new viewers and things like that. But I mean, I think that they do continue to encourage any sort of engagement whatsoever, whether it's you guys writing screw you in the comments, or you're an idiot, or I really love this channel, I'm going to share this with everybody I know. Click the like button, I click the dislike button. YouTube just wants you to stay on YouTube as long as possible. If you watch an ad, they like you. If you watch an ad, I like you. They want people to watch as much as possible. And think about it. I guarantee you there are people out there that watch my videos and click on them just to dislike them. Because they do it every day, man. There's at least a dislike on my video in the first hour. Every single video I post. So I know they do it just to click dislike, and YouTube doesn't mind, man, because that's one more ad that they watch. And every time you guys watch an ad, YouTube and the content creator, it gets like a penny. Good. Thanks, Alan. You just winding down before bed. Ugandan Toad. Very nice. Just joking. Brian didn't see what you said. I dropped $1 million in. Let's see what happens, Brian. She says just joking. Darn, Brian. I thought you weren't joking, man. That would have been nice. Matchsticks, hold my eyes open, mate. Been a long day. It's like some cartoon stuff right there, Alan. You got matchsticks holding your eyes open. It's my understanding that either helps because you're emotionally involved enough to do something or react, which is what social media type outlets are really. It doesn't matter if it's plus or minus. Yeah, Max, I think so too. And that's what they want. People involved enough to do something, because if they do, they're either likely to come back and click dislike the next time because they really don't like the content creator, or they're going to click like and then they're going to come back and so on. So I think that any sort of engagement whatsoever is smiled upon by YouTube. And I would say that before you click the like button and like that, if you had to put them in a hierarchy of, I don't know, engagement wise, I think sharing would go number one, because then more people are going to come to YouTube. And then commenting, because that means if you're taking the time to write out a comment, you're definitely engaging in the video. And then clicking the like button would probably be, or dislike button, would be third on that list. Close my eyes during every ad to just smite you, Clay. I'm not watching them. No! Max, how dare you? Do you have it with volume off too? Or do you have it with volume on? Pam's doing real estate now. Her skills are never ending. Shoot, man. She's a trader and a realtor. Realtor! I find it amusing that someone who really doesn't like something and dislikes it is helping you by disliking. I've seen dislikes here within a few minutes, so it's, yeah, Pringleton. It is obvious, isn't it, man? Like, they just wait until 8 o'clock when the video is released, and then they click dislike. Or they come in here during a live stream, and we're literally talking about something that nobody should have a problem with whatsoever, and they're clicking dislike. Like, I could be showing a picture of Chip Bro. Okay, I can be showing Chip Bro eating seeds and just loving life, and people be like, oh my gosh, chipmunk, I hate it. and click dislike. The real question is, would a 50-50 like to dislike be preferred because you hit the optimal level of controversy? Maybe. I've had some videos that got roughly a 50. It's like a 60% like to dislike ratio. Back in the day, when Reddit really hated me for some reason, they would do nothing but come in here and watch like a couple seconds of my video and just click dislike. So, yeah, I don't know. I didn't really see that big of a downfall in viewers or anything during that, or an uptick in viewers, but they were definitely they weren't even controversial topics, man. I just had a lot of people who didn't like me. I always have volume off because I know you hate volume, bro. Nice, Max, nice. Club it up since 4 a.m., done two jobs, and drove 350 miles. It's been a long day. It's 8:40 p.m. here in the UK. Alan, my goodness, dude. You gotta get some rest, Alan. For real. 2 jobs up since 4 a.m. You need some sleep, dude. I say you need some sleep. Adriel Perez, thank you very much for the super chat. Clay, I have 130, but in Robinhood, talk to a rep to make sure when I sell, I am covered. But I don't know, and this old woman is very bad at these phone things. Adria, here's the deal. I think you're going to be okay. Whether you're in Robinhood or whether you're in Webull or Fidelity or whatever your broker is, I think you're going to be okay. Especially when it comes to selling, okay? Now, they may try to take the buy button away again on some platforms, and they're going to blame it on the fact that they think that they're helping you, or they want to try and convince you that they're helping you, whatever their dumb excuse is. They may try to take the buying pressure away, but selling pressure, they need it. Okay, they need you to sell the stock. So if you're worried about being able to sell, I think you're going to be okay, whether you're in Robinhood or anything for that matter. You're going to get your money, and it's going to be okay. Now, I always follow that up with, if you are concerned about your broker, if that's a legitimate concern about you, or a legitimate concern for you, even if it's only for your AMC shares. Maybe you've got Robinhood and you really like it for crypto. You really like it for every other stock out there. You've been on Robinhood for several years, and that's a platform that you really like. But you're nervous about AMC. There's nothing wrong with transferring your AMC shares to Webull. Use the link in the description below if you want to open up a Webull account. But there's nothing wrong with doing that. Then you can test out both platforms and so on. But if you do not trust your broker, I would say find a broker you can trust. It's the same deal. Like if you don't trust your bank, like if you go to the bank and you deposit your money in there and you don't think it's going to be there tomorrow, why would you continue to use that bank? You would go somewhere else and you'd open up a different bank account. So I think you'll be okay, but if you worry about it, I would also transfer. I wouldn't deal with the worry. Life's too short to be worrying about things like that. I even did a little nursing school, but gave it up because I love business. Nice, pancakes. Nursing, we got some nurses in here, but nursing is a tough career, man. Nursing's tough. A lot of people out there that had nothing to do and only go around disliking videos. 1111 Simon is crazy, isn't it? Some salty people out there, unliking every video they come across. It'll always give you a like, bro. Thank you very much, Salt and Pepper. I appreciate the fact that you're always going to drop a like. And it's true, man. It's true. I don't know if it's because they don't like the way I look, they don't like the way I sound, they don't like my thought, they don't like the way I think about things, they don't like the way I talk about it. Like, I don't know what it is, but there will always be people who dislike videos. Dude, you can go out right now and you can search for like, I don't know, a cute little chipmunk video or a cute little bunny rabbit video or dog puppies. You can go out and like baby just puppies, newborn puppies, man. They're as cute as can be, flopping around in the grass outside. People will click dislike on that. I don't understand the thought process behind that, but it's true, man. It's true. People can just be showing you the best stuff ever, and there will be somebody that clicks dislike. Oh my gosh, PROG's over 210. Nice, guys. PROG is running right now. Who else? Anybody else in here got PROG? Max Greenfield's got PROG. No, we're right here. We could watch this. 211 right now. Running on the day. Nice. Look at this. We tested this range. 1, 2. Tested it again. Broke out right here, and it ran. A very nice job to everybody who didn't sell as we fell. And then we retested support. And then we retested support. And then we kind of retested support. It didn't go all the way back down, but it tested this level right in here. And now it's running. Hopefully you guys close above $3 a share today. That would be sick. What's PROG daily? Okay. So just to point out on a daily chart, if you guys are holding, you do have a lot of resistance in this area right here where it's currently at. About 215, you're going to start getting into a lot of resistance. 210, 215. So keep an eye on that. If you guys break it, you might shoot all the way up to closer to $3 per share. So, yeah. Yeah, I'd say you guys are doing pretty good. But look, just be mindful, okay? You're running to the exact same level you were at before, right here. Like low twos, 220. So be mindful of this area in here. If you're day trading it, might be a good time to take profit. If you're watching it and want to see if it breaks, just be mindful that you are approaching resistance. And then beyond that, shoot, you guys could go all the way up to upper twos. Looking at like 280, 290. See, touched it. We got some support back here. Turn into resistance, support again. And that's where you guys are looking if you guys break this line right in here. So know your plan, stick to it, and then watch it roll. Counselor Murray, man. What's up, Counselor Murray? Thank you very much for the super chat. Counselor Murray says, I hate to say it, but the hedgies are on these ADHD traders and using these recent stocks as a distraction. They're cheating in their offices. Get money, though. And cheering in their offices. Yes, guys, get as much money as possible. And, hey, you know, if it's not that bad if you got money to trade, right? If you have money set aside for plays other than AMC, but you are 100% correct, Counselor. There's a lot of attention going on to other stocks, other cryptos right now, and you know it's really gonna weed out the true apes from those of us that are just those of them that are just trying to like watch a retail run up and day trade AMC. Love you, Pringleton. Grandpa Barney is in the house. What's going on, Grandpa Barney? And still, thank you very much for the biggest super chat I have ever received, man. Thank you, and I hope you're having an awesome day today. Helping everywhere, but always listening in here. Pancakes, I love it. I had to sell 62 my 600 PROG because the darn margin call BS. Yeah, Max, I don't like that, man. I don't know how you get I guess it was because of the transfer fee, right? But I don't like the fact that you got margin called on a cash count. Murray, my man, don't worry, PROG is in my side piece. PROG is my side piece. But every night, you know, I come home to my girl, AMC. Oh, yes, Max Greenfield. That's it. One stock man. Just with a side piece. All right. We do know AMC is the main squeeze here. Main squeeze. That makes sense, actually, now that I think about it. Max Greenfield, are margin calls also random, or are they only when over leveraged? You said as a cash counter. Yeah, Pringleton. So I guess he got margin called on some of his shares because he didn't have enough cash available for a transfer fee or something like that. Is that correct, Mr. Max Greenfield? If I remember correctly and I read it correctly, it's because you didn't have enough cash available for the transfer fee when you transferred from Robinhood to Webull. Is that right? Back at you, sir, Grandpa Barney. Much love and you've spread happiness. Yes, man. Grandpa Barney's spreading happiness every single day. Ape Fathers challenge Ken Griffin to a celebrity boxing match. Any chance you can show this on your live stream? It would actually happen. Yes. If the Ape Father were to fight Ken Griffin in a celebrity boxing match, I would not care at all about any monetization or anything like that, and I would stream that for sure. Clint, is it too late for Bitcoin? Zishan Nawaz, man. Too late for like Bitcoin ever? Like, do I think that Bitcoin is at the ultimate peak? No, I don't think Bitcoin's at its ultimate peak. I don't know how high Bitcoin's gonna go. I think you might have better like growth opportunities elsewhere, but I don't think Bitcoin's at its absolute peak. Max, what do you think the high will be to sell PROG? Try hard mofo, man. That's a good question. We need to know. I just showed you the 2 levels of resistance you guys got on the chart right now. What do you guys think? Kelly, what's up, Clay? Is AMC your favorite stock? Do you think it'll make history? Kelly, I think that AMC is probably my favorite stock. It's the community around AMC is unlike anything I've ever seen before. So in that regard, yes. And if they're going to make history, I think it's already making history. I truly do. I've never seen a group of people just come together around a stock like this before. So I do think it's already making history. M. James, not a realtor. What's up, M. James? This probably counts as a margin account since they gave me credit while my money settles. However, I consider myself in a cash account anyways. Feels safer. Nice, dude. Okay, so here's the dirty details. I put in $500 and got myself $478 of PROG, but I had a $500 credit, and then with my transfer, it went to negative 562 and got a margarine. Nice. Margarine call. So I had to sell some of my PROG. So maybe the money just didn't settle before you went in and bought that, right? Sounds like your money didn't settle before you went in and bought some PROG, and then you did the transfer, and that's why you had the negative cash balance. But it was fine, so possibly, man, possibly that could be what it was. So if you got a negative cash balance like that, maybe they could have, but I think the only reason in your situation that it happened was because of the transfer. I don't think you would have had that happen to you if you weren't transferring. Yes, I'm not a realtor. I am also not a realtor. Cashed my product this morning at 20% profit as per plan and need AT&T to stop barcoding and run up already. Looking for 20 to 30% on calls. Nice, Frank. AT&T typically doesn't trade as I don't know, volatile or as much as other stocks do, but shoot, Frank, you're sitting there making some. Well, I don't know if you get only calls on AT&T. I was gonna say you're ripping a nice dividend if you're holding AT&T long term. Pancakes, absolutely. You, Kelly? Oh man, do I what? Kelly, I didn't know who was shade there. Have a prediction for AMC? Is that what you're talking about, Kelly? I'm sorry if I think I might be missing something. But do I have a prediction for AMC? Max whispers to Clay. Honestly, bro, most of my guesses are terrible, and I'm just a young boy from St. Louis, man. I'm not qualified to give these price guesses. Clears through to and speaks to everybody. Clears throat, speaks to everybody. $50 per share. Nice, man. Nice. 50, dude. If PROG goes to 50, is PROG going to 50? Dude, if PROG was going to 50, I gotta see this. How crazy. We'll get to see how crazy Sam is, actually. I mean, Max. Get to see how crazy Max is. Dude says 50. He's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got high Johan in the sky hopes. Oh, my gosh. All right, so he'd be going to about here. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Pringleton and Johan would like the slope on this line right here, running you up to about $50 a share by January. My gosh, that would take all the way to January to get to 50 if it followed that steep of a line. Wow. Okay, good news. Bad news is, I don't know if I see PROG going to 50. Good news is, if it does, that's wicked, man. Oh my goodness. I like to move it, move it. LFG pancakes, let's go, because we all like to move it, and we like it when the stock moves. Yes, price per share. During the squeeze, I think price per share is going to, I think it's going to get a little tired around $1,000 per share. I think that's going to be a nice round number where people have over $100,000. Roughly 900 or so is going to give them $100,000 in their account, and I think it's going to get tired around there. And that's like realistically, optimistically speaking. Now, people getting tired doesn't mean that they're going to sell. Okay, I just think we're going to see a lot of people tempted to take their profits and move on around there. And that, in my opinion, is an optimistic. I don't know, guess on where AMC could go. Now, come on, Clay. It can go Steve Briggleton. That was nuts, man. We do need an AMC line, though. Yes, we do need an AMC line. Let's see where we can put an AMC line on the chart today. Trend line. This is if we follow that trend we got right now. But guess what? We need to go steeper because we need to watch a 37.49 close. So roll that bad boy right there. Make it purple because purple trend lines are the best trend lines. And boom, we're ready to go. Gosh, dude, what are you doing? Like, why is it going down? Wow, look how non-steep that line looks when you zoom in. When you zoom out, it looks really steep. When you zoom in, that's sad. We'll go right there. Pringleton, that one's for you, man. We'll watch that bad boy. Oh my gosh, Lauren is here. Guys, everybody say hi to Lauren. Lauren, darling, I hope you are having a wonderful day today. This is for you, Lauren. Just for you. I shaved a little bit this weekend, so this one's for you, Lauren. Nobody else can stop touching it. Stop. Pringleton, I feel you touching it, man. Lauren, only you. Lauren, thank you very much for the peach, Lauren. I appreciate that. Guys, keep your hands off the peach. It's Lauren's only, okay? Lauren's, yes, here. We miss you, Lauren. We do miss Lauren. It's so much better when Lauren's hanging out with us. I hope PROG does go to 50. I'd have $50,000. I wouldn't do nothing but buy more AMC with that anyways, though. Marquise, man. Listen, okay? I don't know anything about PROG, but I do know a run to 50 is not going to be easy. It's gotta do more than it's ever done in its entire history. So be careful with that, and if it does, shoot, man. I hope you guys make bank. If there's many synthetic shares, as people are saying, AMC could go high 4 figures. Yeah, Johnstontown. I mean, I know you guys know by now that I don't think there's that many synthetic shares out there, but if there are, dude. If there are, I think that my optimistic price predictions and my optimistic hopes are very conservative. Like, if there's billions of synthetics out there, then my price points are low. Clay's eyes light up when Lauren comes into the chat. You can't see my eyes, pancakes. Come on. So instead of steeper, I should be shouting and zoom out. Brinkleton. Yes, Pringleton, look, watch. This is how easy it is, man. Watch that line just automatically move. Whoop, 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 whoop. Dude, you can make it go as steep as you want. It's like smack the ground with that line. Boom, boom, boom. That easy, dude. Boom, boom. So I can make it steeper just by zooming out. Who would have guessed? I'm hoping for more than 1G, at least 3G would be nice, but yeah, more people might be selling than people think. KJW, BR. Yeah, talking about the AMC price point, I think, and that's mine too, man. So I think that I also clearly hope for more than 1,000, right? There's no doubt that I want AMC to go as high as possible, but I think that along the way, people are going to start fading off. People are going to be like, well, I got to take my profit and whatever. So, just depends, man. Depends how long people can hold out. Lauren, in order to help Clay gain views and followers, how would you feel about him using your picture for thumbnails in his nightly videos? Yes, Lauren, they might be disappointed and never come back to the channel when they see my face instead of yours, but there's no doubt in my mind that people would rather click on a thumbnail with your face on it than my face. I've missed today's price action. What happened? Low volume. Colin, not terribly low volume today. We've had 36 million shares being traded. We were down to the 36, like 36.30. We touched that right after the market open this morning. We ran up, touched a high around $38.66 per share, and then we are back down again on the afternoon trading. So as you can see, we opened up, moved lower, and then we tried to break 38.50 like we've been trying to do for the last couple weeks. Weren't able to do it, and now we started trading down into after lunchtime or around lunchtime throughout the rest of the afternoon. So we're hoping for a little bit of a bounce here, but we just got to see what happens. We're testing Friday's close price and going red and green on the day right now. So what we hope to see is a green close at this point. Miss Cookie. Where's Cookie at? We need Cookie back in the chat. Squeeze is going to be like the movie The Big Short, but they pay us. If so, I bet there's going to be a movie about it. No, Kelly, if it does squeeze to these levels that people are saying, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, like there's definitely going to be a movie about it. No doubt on that. They'd be like, oh my God, she's gorgeous, and I bet she doesn't fall walking up the stairs. And then, bam, it's some random Amish with a neck beard. Dude, that'd be the most disappointing thing in my life. think of it. I would be disappointed too. Like if I clicked on Lauren's face and then my face appeared, I'd be like, this is like the worst day of my life. Clay, I imagine Manscaped might be a little confused by Lauren's thumbnails. No, dude, they wouldn't be confused at all. Pringleton, like think about it. Like Manscaped can turn this mug into something beautiful. Like that would be the ultimate advertisement for Manscaped. You just one swipe of the razor, and all of a sudden, this ugly mug turns into something beautiful. I think it's actually worth it. Like they should be all on board with that, man. Confused or not, like I think that is exactly what it would do. Take something and makes it and turns it into something beautiful. Come on, AMC pancakes, let's go. I want AMC to go. I want AMC to close green on the day. 30. What was my guess? 37.49 is what we're closing today. We got 4 minutes to go, like 25 cents. Let's do it. Reminds me of April price action. Alex. Yeah, April price action was relatively subdued, wasn't it? What can be done against short ladder attacks? Well, really the only thing to be done against short ladder attacks is to continue buying shares and turning off share lending, or the people who currently have share lending turned on, turning off share lending. Because, I mean, they're allowed to short, right? People are allowed to short. So, the only thing to combat short ladder attacks would be to take away the opportunities to short. The only way you do that is to not lend shares out. Unfortunately, I do fall walking up the stairs sometimes. Lauren, makes you who you are. We love it. And you forget the glass is so clean that you just bonk your head on the window. Jagga, I would like to get to 100 before we talk about 100,000. Shoot, man. We get to 100. If we get to 100, I'm going to be happy. You know how many people are going to be jumping in here if we get to 100? Do you know? Like, there's some people out there who legitimately think this AMC thing is over with. If we go to 100, you guys will see. There will be at least 200 people in here. Clay, if I woke up to a price of $500 a share, would you recommend selling or just selling some? My goal is a $500,000 portfolio, but I have 730. Be difficult. Kelly, here's the deal. Where do you live? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Where do you live? Because if you wake up after the market opens and you're at $500 a share, there's a lot of stuff you should be looking at. If you're sitting on extremely high volume and AMC is trading 1 billion shares and short interest is declining rapidly, then I would put selling on one of your like to-do lists for that day. Really look at taking your profit at that point and moving on. If you wake up and AMC is trading pre-market at $500 a share and there's only been 2 million shares traded so far that day, then just like be prepared. I wouldn't be terribly concerned about selling at that point because the shorts haven't covered. You know, you're just sitting on an extremely high point or extremely high price. But it all comes down to, are the shorts covering and have the shorts covered? And did they have the opportunity to cover? So just because it's a high price doesn't mean it's time to sell. Clearly, if 500 is your number, though, like if you want $500 a share and you're going to be killing it on that, then, you know, I say you're okay to take it if that's life-changing money for you. Canada. Well, Canada's got a lot of time zones, so I guess it would depend on where in Canada you live. The whole thing is, if you wake up during market hours, like if you're in California and you're waking up at 9 a.m. in California and it's already noon here, and AMC's traded 1 billion shares and it's sitting at $500 a share, then yes, you could consider selling because it's a possibility that the shorts have covered or are covering. If you wake up and you're in the UK and it's pre-market here and we've traded 1 million shares and you're sitting at $500 a share, it's going to get calm. Just be calm. It's okay at that point. They didn't cover. Sorry, Jag. I just joined the chat. I still have my doubts of even getting to 1,000, but I'm holding. Yeah, listen, it's not going to be easy to go to these prices, guys, but at least we have stuff we can look at. We can know that the short shares are still out there, and make determinations based on the price that we're currently trading at. When you read that, I don't know why, but I imagined a horror movie type commercial with a bunch of little demonic ladders attacking people. Super spooky stuff. Ladder attack. Would anybody watch a movie? I'm sure you would. Would anybody watch a movie about little short ladders running around attacking people? Because I don't know how scary that would be, but I'm sure people would make a movie about that. Like if there's tornadoes that throw sharks, people would watch a movie about ladders attacking people. Adria, unfortunately, Clay's Peach is buyable. If you bought it, you could touch it too. Yes, you could. Lauren, I did not see what Adria said about that. Lauren is beautiful. I understand why you only... Okay, first of all, Adria, yes, Lauren is beautiful. Second of all, this is true. You can only touch the peach if you buy the peach. Otherwise, otherwise it's just look. You only looking. Nobody else can touch the peach unless you buy it. Lauren is 100% correct. Lauren, that peach is all yours. Lauren typically is the only one that sends the peach. I mean, that's facts on that one. I don't know why she likes Binance on peach so much, but Lauren's the only one that touches it. I'll take the green close. Woohoo! We closed green. Pancakes, I like it. 37.27. Did we close green by a cent? What did we close green by? I forget what the 8 cents. All right, 8-cent close in the green. Very nice job today, guys. I know it's not exciting, but a green close is a green close. I would rather move, like you guys the other day. We said 40 cents every day for the rest of eternity until you guys close out. Yeah, an 8-cent close is an 8-cent close. 8 cents to the green. Good day for me. We closed green spaz out. Yes, we did. Let's go, baby. Let's do it. A win's a win, fam. Chase, a win is a win. If we stack together 8-cent closes every single day, I mean, we're unstoppable. We're unstoppable. Missed the Doji. Darn it. What do we have, a Doji at the end of the day or on the day chart, or what do we got here? Like right in here, you talking about these? Dang, I just got really hungry. He said Doji and it made me hungry. It must be some sort of a secret word. I don't know. Maybe it's when I say Doji I get hungry. But I got really hungry right there. Clear bro, after investing in a PROG, I was wondering if you had any tips for how to deal with success. I officially have some seriously green unrealized profit. Nice, man. Nice. The first advice you get for dealing with success, celebrate the success, man. Celebrate the success. Not in excess of the amount you've earned, but celebrate the wins. That is the first advice I'm going to give you. Why? Because when you start celebrating wins, man, instead of just like, I don't know, wallowing in the losses, you will continue to be successful. Take some time, and listen, you got to realize the profit before you're successful, right? Because you could open up tomorrow and PROG's back down. So when you book the profit, celebrate the success. Whether you buy yourself a smoothie, you go out, you go to dinner, you enjoy a movie out, like whatever it is, celebrate the success in some way, and you're going to be fine. And then, silence. JB says silence. Is the phone ringing right now? I didn't even know if it was ringing. All right, phone is going to be silenced. No worries, friends. No worries. Okay, yes, somebody did text me. Okay, cool. Somebody's looking to buy a house right now. Very nice. Not one of mine, though. One of my friends wants to buy an investment property or something. What should I tell him? Just go do it? Not even read it? Just go do it? I do use and abuse the peach button, though. And I like it, Lauren. It's not abuse when I like it. Green is green. At daddy-daughter time, y'all have an awesome day. Johnny! Or John, I don't know if you go by Johnny. John, enjoy your day, man. Enjoy that daddy-daughter time. Small green close. That's for me today. Laters, all you people. Bed is calling. Alan, go get some rest, man. Enjoy the night. PROG looking froggy. Yep. Benny, a lot of people are enjoying PROG today. Ooh, shrimp fried rice. You still hungry? Yes, I am, AMC Trapper. That looks, oh my gosh, that looks delicious. Green is green. I think I know what I'm going to be making then. I think I'm going to be making some rice over a quesadilla today. I'll probably go rice. Green is green. Up is up. AMC Trapper called my dinner tonight. Thank you. If only you knew a realtor. Yes, if only I knew a realtor, Pringleton. I wonder what I could do. I'm off to lunch. So hungry. 1:04 p.m. here. Pancakes. Enjoy the lunch. I'm hungry too. I didn't even eat lunch today. Only protein. Clay, can you explain to me what happens if the U.S. don't pass the debt ceiling? Yeah, nothing happens, man. Hustle life. Nothing happens. So they'll try to scare you into thinking that everybody's going to be defaulted on, and the U.S. is never going to get another loan, and it's going to be a death spiral at the end of the world. But they're just going to take a recess, dude. They're going to go on vacation. Everybody in Congress is going to go on vacation for a while. They're going to enjoy their time off. They're going to get their paychecks and continue to be paid. And if they don't get their paychecks during their time off, they will get them when they come back. So nothing happens, man. It'll be a lot of fear-mongering out there and trying to drive the market back down so that they can buy back into stocks that they didn't have the opportunity to get in before. But overall, our debt obligations will be met, whether they have to print fake money to pay them or what, but definitely going to happen. Come eat with me. Pancakes! I would actually love nothing more than to go grab some lunch right now because I am very hungry. Grandpa Barney! Pam the Trader, West Coast girl. Pancakes is a West Coast girl. I'm telling you right now, if a man prefers a cat over a dog, he holds his nose when he jumps in a pool. I don't know. I don't know the correlation between the two, but what if the man prefers a chipmunk over a dog or cat? What happens in that situation? I'm eating sweet and smoky shredded beetroot because you know I like a weird snack. Dude, sweet and smoky. Lauren's diet is slightly weird, okay, guys? I'm not exactly sure about all the food Lauren eats, but it's nice because I would like to just expand my palate a little bit and eat something like this. Not sure I like it, but Lauren does eat a lot of interesting foods. Sweet and smoky shredded beetroot. Anybody else? Would anybody else enjoy that snack? I don't know. Anytime you want, I'm always hungry. Darn it, man. T-Pam, Grandpa, I got the bill. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I want to go out with pancakes and eat lunch sometime. Yo, Hedgies versus Apes is wilder than Tyson and we Tyson. Oh, Wilder versus Tyson and we Tyson. Nice, Kelly. I like it. Does that mean we win? Is that a Chip Bro hoodie? Neo Wolf. Yes. Chip Bro. It's Chip Bro. Look, Neo Wolf fixes it with a Chip Bro. Yes, man. It's a Chip. Hey, there it is, Neo Wolf. Chip Bro. Come please. Man, I should right now. I should just leave Ohio and come eat lunch. I came here to just drop a like button. Thank you, Calvary Hispanic Church. I appreciate that. Hang out with us for a minute if you want. I'll wait for you. Listen, Pancakes, do you realize that if I honestly did leave, I don't know what the next flight out of Ohio would be, but if I left right now, I imagine I'd be looking at roughly a 7 p.m. flight, and then I'd have another, at least a 4-hour flight, which would put me at 8, 9 p.m. once I got out of the airport. So if I were to just make a last-minute decision, you're looking at waiting to eat until at least, and I don't know what the traffic is like in California at 9, 10 p.m., but you're looking at least a 10 p.m. lunch, 10:30, I would say. Best case scenario. Like no layovers, 4-hour flight, just getting there and making it happen. Best case scenario, 10 p.m. Can you wait until 10 p.m. to eat? Okay, so dinner then. Still late dinner. I would be so hungry. I think Clay should do what he wants to do for a change today. I want to do this, man. That's what I want to do. I'm also eating celery and almond butter. That's more normal, right? Probably. Yeah, Lauren. I would say that's more normal than sweet and smoky beetroot. But, so listen, I'll eat anything you want to eat. Anything. You should fly with Southwest Airlines. Take even longer. Well, shoot, man. I could. No traffic at night. Perfect. Still, like, I think the best case scenario would be like 10, 11 p.m., right? Matthew, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Your photo is an interesting one. What is Matthew's photo? A like button? I'll wait forever for you not to eat pancakes. You gotta eat. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Like, I do leave now. I cut the stream short. I go on and try to have lunch/dinner with pancakes. Okay, it's like 10, 11 o'clock at night. I'm dead tired because that's like 2 a.m. for me, and I get there, and pancakes is hangry. She says she'll wait forever to eat lunch/dinner with me, and then I get there and she's hangry. And she's like, why was your flight delayed 3 minutes? I can't believe this. What are you doing? I've been hungry and waiting for you all day. And I'm like, dang, pancakes. I came out here from Ohio. It takes forever. What's going on here? What is this? I'm sorry. I can't help it that the pilot took off a little bit later than normal. It was maintenance. They had maintenance on the plane. Oh my gosh. GTA, got it right. There's horrible airlines or terrible airlines. Take your pick. Horrible airlines or terrible airlines? Take your pick. Shoot, man. I'll take terrible airlines over horrible airlines. Why cut this stream? I'd watch that. Could I stream on an airplane? I'd have to cut the stream at some point, right? I will send you an Uber to LAX. Nice! So then I have to deal with the Uber and you sitting there waiting at the table and for me to get to the restaurant. You wouldn't be hungry if you had some Ghost Protein to hold you over, Clay. Facts, man. I did look up Ghost Protein. You know, Ghost Protein's about twice the price per scoop as Optimum Nutrition. I looked it up. It's like $1.49 a scoop, man. $1.54 or $1.49. Now I forget. It's like $40 for a 40 or 50. Now I do forget. I know it was like $1.49 or $1.54 a scoop. I could use some protein. Neil Wolf. I could use some protein too. PROG is still ripping. What? Dude, how rich is Sam, man? Max. How rich is Max Greenfield? I can eat a snack and then eat again late when you get here. Pancakes. All right, acceptable. It's about 4 times the quality. Ooh. Because if you were going to tell me it's twice as good, but twice the price, I was going to say, okay, well, maybe I'll just get twice twice the quantity instead of twice the quality. But then you said 4 times as good. So actually, it's half the price of Optimum Nutrition. So shoot, man. I like your math, Sam. Max. I like your math, Max. Primitive. Not a Laurenism. People say I should be more normal, but I'm trying to figure out what that is. There's no such thing as normal, Lauren, and you should not be more normal. We love Lauren here, guys. We love Lauren, and we want her to be just the way she is. Clay, are we there yet? Victor! Dude, if I answered we are there, that would be pretty sad, wouldn't it, man? It would be pretty sad. Okay, see y'all later. Pancakes! Enjoy your lunch. We know you're going to stay here during lunchtime. If you measure wealth by friendship, then looks at everyone in here. I'm the most rich guy on the planet. Yes, you are, Max Greenfield. Yes, you are. On a serious note, I have to eat or I'll die. Yeah, pancakes. On a serious note, I'm very hungry too. I would not want to wait until 2 a.m. to eat tonight because I am hungry. But after a while, you guys know, like does it happen for you too? Like if you're really hungry, you just get past that certain point of being hungry again and you're not hungry anymore? Does that happen to you guys or you never wait that long? Lava lamp overheating. I'm seeing some strange action with a lava lamp. It feels normal hotness to me, man. I don't know. It feels normal hotness. Crypto, us right. Normal is boring. Crypto is right. Normal is boring. Facts. 10-1 odds. I end up bag holding PROG. No! Don't do it. Don't do it, Max Greenfield. Don't do it, man. Don't do it because you're sitting at... Ooh, it's still rising. 236. You guys touched, sitting at 214 right now. Finding resistance in that area, which we expected it to do. We're sitting right here. Guys, if we break this, let's go back down. If we break this, Max Greenfield is going to be rich. 220, man. You got to get out of this 220 level right here. The last thing I want to see, is this candle tomorrow, okay? I don't want to see anybody write it back down to $1.30. Please do not do that. Do not want to see that sort of bounce or sort of resistance again on PROG. So please, if you're making money, make some money. We need that action in our lives. All right, 1 minute chart, good deal. AMC doing nothing after hours at Applebee's. Come on, shoot. Got half price appetizers right now or no? Crypto Rackets here. Okay. Well, I don't want to be normal then. Never. Thanks for sharing Dean's GoFundMe on Twitter. Dean's got to GoFundMe on Twitter, guys. Check that out. Pam, I'm on my way. It's gonna take even longer for Lauren to get there. My goodness, that would be a nice dinner. Pancakes, Lauren. Bro. Dang, if I only held PROG at the end of the day, but that was outside of the plan. So you trade your plan, Frank, and don't worry. You trade your plan and don't worry. There's always going to be a shoulda, coulda, woulda. Just as often as you take your profit and it went higher, you're going to take your profit and it'll go lower afterwards. So don't beat yourself over following your plan, dude. Max Greenfield, just remember, I always loved you, rich guy. Yes, I always loved him too, rich guy. Regards to your hunger question, Ghrelin is termed the hunger hormone because it stimulates appetite, increases food intake, and promotes fat storage. It comes in waves and isn't a constant release. So what does that mean, dude? Once I'm hungry, I should eat when I'm hungry or I should not eat when I'm hungry? Now I'm confused because I don't want to promote fat storage. So if I eat, if I feel hungry, I'm promoting fat storage, is what you're saying. So that's why you should eat smaller meals throughout the day to not be hungry so you don't store fat. Is this what you're telling me? Am I following this correctly? Max, break it down, man. It'll be awesome to have a meal with you. Dude, that would be awesome, wouldn't it? Just like an Applebee's meal, man. Nothing to stress over. Nobody's got to worry about anything. We go out to Applebee's, we grab some boneless wings, and we move on, dude. Like, we go have some fun. I say yes. I say yes. Would anybody actually be nervous just going to Applebee's to chill out for an hour, grabbing some food, and then leaving? Like, nobody would be nervous doing that, right? How many times have we been to Applebee's before? We saw these wood. The patent hasn't even hit the media. The patent hasn't even hit the media. A PROG. Let's go. Gullah is in PROG too. I like it. Lauren, sharing was a pleasure. Shame I'm not in the same situation. I'm not in the situation to help. More should probably start a GoFundMe too. Everybody should go start a GoFundMe, yes. You give it time, Frank. You could be the winner in the end. Yes, he could. Me too, Lauren. Post some OS. We will meet up somewhere and eat. Dang, I like it. Hey, Clint, what do you think about Cardano? Do you think we'll eventually get at least to the current price of Ethereum? Ooh, Ramsey. I don't know what the market cap of Cardano would be if it reaches the current price of Ethereum. And I don't think that would be short term if it did, man. I don't know. Ethereum's got a very high price on it for any crypto, especially crypto trading at like 220 or whatever Cardano's at right now. I made my PFP for Gmail and GIF, but it only shows a picture here in YouTube. It's a shame. Oh man, that is a shame. I didn't know you could make your profile picture a GIF, but if you did, awesome. It's only a picture, especially on Streamlabs. Streamlabs ain't going to show me any of those. I'm down to hang with some food and drinks. Lemonades all the way around. Those other things are more survival needs if you're underfed. Oh, here we go. The hormones that cause you to be hungry come in waves is what I'm saying, that if you're hungry and wait till it goes away, it isn't linear release of increased hunger. There's spikes and dips. Gotcha. So it is normal then for hunger to go away if you don't eat. Clay, are you in for Manscaped? If I go back to them, you'll probably need to go straight to them soon. Yeah, so it looks like I probably could just email them, right? I mean, dude, I wouldn't have a problem telling you guys to go buy a razor, right? Like, you don't have to go buy it if you don't want it, but I use a razor, okay? I do use a razor. So, and I think that nearly every guy in here, I'm sure there's probably girls in here that use a razor too. People have hair that grow in places that needs trimmed. So I don't think anybody would have an objection to using razors. So yeah, dude, I don't care. Like, a razor's not even something you wear. I don't see Remington going out and sponsoring anybody and I use a Remington razor all the time. So, yeah, dude, if Manscaped wants a razor pushed, then buy a razor. But I feel like everybody has and uses a razor. Lauren, thank you. Oh my gosh, I cut the hair. I don't know what this unicorn spike is gonna look like. I did not realize that when I was cutting it that I need to leave a unicorn horn. Ooh, that was a nice little unicorn horn. Lauren, this one's for you. That's a nice unicorn horn, actually. Look at that. Lauren, just for you right here, okay? Looks like a rhino horn. Hold on, we'll go back to unicorn. This is unicorn horn just for Lauren. Well, for everybody that wants to watch, because only Lauren can ride the unicorn, though. Thank you very much, Lauren, for the unicorn horn and the unicorn ride there. I know that everybody appreciates it. That was a pretty good unicorn horn. I'm glad I didn't cut the front of my hair as short as I thought I could have cut it. We got horns. It's good. Yes, and Lauren, thank you very much for the peach and the unicorn today. I appreciate that. Yes, I think so. I got one before. It's good. Nice! I need a Manscaped. I want a sale. Well, shoot, there you go. I should talk to Manscaped then. Yes, we were in Bria, so a little more inland. Left California to get out of debt. Nice, JB. California is expensive. You can give people a discount code, then you do better more they use it. Shoot, I'll give you guys a discount code. I say yes. I say yes. I did forget to put the wallet one in here, so that shows that I'll probably be sitting on a discount code for Manscaped for years. But, no, dude, I don't know. Like, I have no problem with my Remington razor that I currently use, but I imagine Manscaped would be decent. And if not, I'll just tell you, this razor sucks. And then I won't put it in the comments unless you guys still want to buy one. But, yeah. Gallop! JB, yes, Gallop, man. Gallop. Before Lauren was on the Gallop with that one. One Claybro t-shirt. Here's the deal. I do want to make, I don't know if I'm just going to buy my own Cricut cut or whatever. Because my sister seems to be way more busy than I am. I do want to, like, spend an entire weekend making just giveaway shirts. Okay? So, very soon, Pancakes. Very soon. I'm hoping to do it over a weekend. Because, you know, streaming twice a day and then doing one or two videos during the day it's time consuming, so it's hard to print shirts and stuff during the week. But oh man, I would love to just spend a Saturday and Sunday printing a bunch of shirts up and then doing some sick giveaways. So how will we do that? I don't know, but if you guys want to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, I'm sure there's going to be giveaways there as well. But Claybro883 there instead of just Claybro. So Claybro883 if you guys want to follow me on those. But yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways here. Shoot, man, now that I just thought about it, I just thought about another one, too. Ooh. I just thought about Christmas presents. Like, I could buy a bunch of giveaway shirts and do a bunch of giveaways for Christmas, too. I'd probably make those long sleeve shirts instead of t-shirts, though. Yeah, we're going to have to make something happen in that category. I got to buy a ton of vinyl. Maybe I can buy some, like, discount vinyl on eBay or something. Somebody grabbed a bunch of vinyl and didn't want to use it. And then I could grab a bunch of bulk t-shirts and do a ton of Christmas giveaways. I'm sure you guys would like a Claybro t-shirt for Christmas. Any more long sleeve shirts, and Pancakes loves t-shirts, so there you go. Blue t-shirt and listing all the names on the back with a wrench on the front or something like that. That would be pretty cool. I'm customizing it on my own. Nice, Pancakes. I'm doing a t-shirt with all the YouTubers I'm on for. It's going to be cool. No, that would be very cool, Pancakes. A blue t-shirt with all the mods on there. Squeeze time soon, Andrew. Yes, man, tomorrow. Squeeze is always tomorrow, dude. Andrew, thank you very much for the super chat. Squeeze is always tomorrow. So soon, every day that AMC doesn't squeeze, we are one day closer to the squeeze happening. And hopefully it happens tomorrow, but you are correct, man. Squeeze time every day gets closer and closer and sooner. So I sure hope so, Andrew. Everybody says it's tomorrow, man. So we just got to wait and see what tomorrow brings. Clever Rose ugly sweaters with bananas for the pattern. Ooh. Shipless pirate, man. I would wear that. Doesn't even sound ugly to me. That sounds beautiful. Patricia, last message, and they'll be pushing us up then. I didn't see Patricia's message, darn it. If Max Greenfield is right, I will buy everybody's one share. I'll buy everybody one share of Sundial. With what is if Max Greenfield's right with what? The $50 share price on AMC? Okay, what if Manscaped is terrible? I mean, let's be honest. They do try harder for ads than most other razors. Why they gotta try so hard, huh? That's true, man. That's true. And I don't know. I don't know because you think like Purple Mattress is the same thing. Like I never see Serta or Tempur-Pedic advertising to me on YouTube for a mattress, and I don't ever see Remington or Wall advertising to me on YouTube, but I do see Manscaped advertising, so it's interesting. Andrew! I don't know how to do this one. Thank you very much, Andrew, for the super sticker. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Andrew. I appreciate that. And that wasn't a fake laugh. That was real. That's actually how I laugh. All the other laughs you guys have ever heard before, fake news. That one is real. That right there is how I prefer to laugh. It's a full body laugh, and it just gets you going. Lunch is here. Pancakes. I'm so hungry. Pancakes. Pancakes, I need to see a picture of your lunch. Tag it on Twitter. Not leaving AMC or GME, though. Good deal, Pancakes. Max Greenfield is an idiot. No, Max Greenfield. Max Greenfield is not an idiot. Good business. Don't need to advertise. AMC, $25 million commercial. Oh, my gosh. $25 million commercial. That's facts, though. They did spend $25 million. Lots of charts finished with falling wedges. It might be green tomorrow. Flacco. We need to string several green days together in a row, man. And not just 0.1% green days. What's on your jumper? Well, because I'm assuming that she's calling my shirt a jumper. That's my boy. That's my boy right there. You guys can see my boy, right? That's Chip Bro, baby. That's Chip Bro. Oh, yes. What's on your jumper, Lauren? What's on your jumper? Oh, and it's got a bro bracelet. I need to make Max a long sleeve shirt with the semicolon right here on his shirt, right? Max, you need a semicolon. Is that brand? Yeah, it does say orb on there, but Chipro for sure. I need to make Max one that says it's got a semicolon, probably like right here, right? I assume right here. And then you can't get in trouble at work, right? I think it's funny that Iceberg claims they covered shorts, but we are flat. Is it like they had very small position when they? Yeah, Commander Vlog. So I was making fun of them a couple months ago when they said that they took out those short positions. That they probably shorted like, I don't even know what I said in the video or the live stream. I was making fun of them. No, I was like $400 worth of AMC or something. So I assume that it was very small, man, and they were just trying to get some exposure because nobody's heard about him before. Nobody's going to talk about him again. So I think it was just to rile people up and have them look at Iceberg. But facts, dude, I think it was small. Shiba Inu to the moon, Patrick. Yes, let's take Shiba to the moon as well. Next, we're going to tell that to Coke and McDonald's. What? That the good companies don't advertise? I saw that one because they're mainstream, they small business. But yes, I agree. That's a lot for a commercial. Maybe they have that much to blow because they're doing good though. Who, AMC? I mean, maybe, but I don't know. Oh, I love it. I got to scroll. I've got skull on my t-shirts. Nice. She's got a skull on her t-shirts. Very good. Said jumper. Jumper must mean long sleeve or hoodie. I think jumper's probably hoodie. Okay. And never even heard of him. Neo Wolf. Who? Me? I wonder if they shorted it all. Maybe they're trolling us. Hey, Commander Vlogs. Yeah, they could have been trolling us, man. I don't know why they would do that, but they could have been. They had a small package. Yes, Commander Vlogs. They had a very small package. Pringleton, okay, man, I ain't scared. He yells, "Ayo, Coke and McDonald's, the realists of the companies don't need to pay ads for people to know who they are." Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. That's true. I'm loving it. What do you think about Pandora's Papers getting leaked? Well, I don't know, man. I didn't read through all of the papers or anything like that, but here's the thing. I don't know everything that's getting leaked these days and how true it is either. That's just there's a lot of leaked information and exposed information and bombshell information that makes its way to the internet every day. And I'm a little skeptical of a lot of it. Pimp, where you at? I go vegan for 2 weeks now. What? No, y'all. Why are you vegan, man? Because Pancakes told you to go vegan? I've heard of every YouTuber. You were just talking. Never heard of the YouTuber you were just talking about. Iceberg? No, if you're talking about Iceberg, Iceberg's not a YouTuber. Iceberg is just some company that said they shorted AMC about, I don't know. It was a couple months ago now. I forget when it was, but it was a couple months ago. Skull! Sorry, I pressed you quickly. No, Lauren, we knew what you meant. We knew what you meant. It was Skull. My t-shirt has a Reddit Wall Street Bets dude on it, and it says Diamond Hands, and he's holding his arms out with Diamond floating above his head. Nice! Sounds like a sweet shirt, man. It does. I prefer Pepsi anyway, man. Ooh. Burn to Coke. They are funny. They say this on their Twitter profile, revealing financial manipulation and accounting frauds. Suing us is bad for your health. Ask those who tried. Yeah, man. I don't know. I really don't think that Iceberg had a very big position, though. I don't think that they were trying to manipulate anything. I think they were just trying to get attention. I just closed escrow and about to buy more AMC now. Very nice now, y'all. I think we should call their bluff and sue the heck out of them. Commander Vlogs. Go for it, dude. I don't know if you're going to get any, like, does Iceberg have any money? Hey, Cook, I never knew this Max Greenfield guy ever before. He's nothing to do with me, okay? We cool? Pringleton really respects Coke. Yes. You've never heard of them? Bro, they took down the ship that Leonardo DiCaprio was on, and his girl was like, I'll never let it go. And then guess what? She did. She let go. Sad, dude. That's sad. I feel like Lauren would never let go. I feel like Lauren would say she would never let go, and then she would never let go. I feel like she would. I feel like she might forget that she's even holding on, but I still don't think she would let go. She would just, like, her hands would be closed and she would be holding. Any tips for people with small portfolios? Ryan, yeah, man. Listen, size doesn't matter, okay? Size doesn't matter, okay? You need to focus on getting a strategy that generates income, that allows you to grow the portfolio that you currently have. Whether you're looking at, you know, a $500 portfolio, a $5,000 portfolio, whatever you think is small, man. Focus on generating income now and growing that, because here's the deal. If you have a $500 portfolio and you can't deal with $10 swings or $50 swings, imagine you having a $5,000 portfolio. How are you going to deal with $500 swings? A $50,000 portfolio. How are you going to deal with $5,000 swings? You need to start somewhere. You need to start what you're comfortable with. And that is much better than you going out and starting with a $50,000 portfolio and you can't sleep at night because you're down $5,000 on the day and it's making you sick. So there's nothing wrong with having a small portfolio. Small portfolio. Use it to learn, man, and use it to get use it to get accustomed to price swings and earning and losing money. No, yo! Thank you very much. Oh, wrong hand. Now, y'all, thank you very much for the super sticker. We're flying through the air. We are superheroes. Thank you very much. Now, y'all, for the super sticker, man. That is the only time that I can actually fly. Is during super stickers. So thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. Oh, committed, Clay. Not clumsy. Well, maybe a little. Yes, Lauren is committed. 100%, guys. She might be a little clumsy, but it's alright. It's alright. And Lauren, you know, I'm not messing with you. If she holds or not, Titanic, yes, and she will hold, man. I don't know about us, but in Canada, minimum 25,000. Shipless pirate. What? Portfolio size? Say it again for the ladies in the back, Clay. Size doesn't matter. Just be comfortable and be confident. Apparently, a lot of numbers from Ortex and FINRA data not adding up since Friday on CEI. Crypto Rocketeer. What's CEI doing today, man? I know it was trading on the top of the most active list, and I know you've been very interested in CEI. What was it doing today? I didn't really see what it had going on. Just joking, Jake. I like your energy, Clay, bro. I will become a member here soon. Commander Vlogs. Thank you very much. I do appreciate that, man. And you will get a very warm welcome when you do become a member. Also, I mean, you got the subscribe button clicked, right? Don't forget, anybody in here that doesn't have the subscribe button clicked, make sure to click it. Because you don't come across too many channels that allow you to type in live streams these days if you're not subscribed. So, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Average portfolio here. Nice, Jim Cav's got an average portfolio. Very good, man. Very good. Look at AMC on a 1 hour chart from April 7th to May 12th. Exactly the same pattern we are now. A boss Blunts called it. Okay, let's see this. Exactly the same. I want to see what you guys think is exactly the same. May 12th, exactly the same pattern as we are in now. Okay, I can't like transcribe these over each other, but April 7th to May 12th, oh dude, I can't go that far back. There's no way I'm going that far back. No, dude, I'm not going that far back. Nope, not happening. Never mind. Never mind. Go find a different chart pattern. Wow. It's really relatively subdued price action over the last couple weeks. Nice. Alright, let's see. Where are we at? Okay. Good deal. We are here. Yeah, there's no way I'm going that far back on wheel. Sorry. It's a warm welcome. Yes, it is. Cool, brother. You know I do, man. I have been a subscriber for a while. I just lurk and watch your videos. I don't comment much is all. Commander Vlogs. All good, dude. All good. Technically, I don't know. Like, I really don't know if people subscribe to the channel or not. Because you can still watch videos and just use recommendations, and then YouTube will probably recommend a video to you again, like if you've already watched it. But no, subscribing does help. And turning notifications on, that helps too. Closed at $1.63, 8 cents down, and slightly down after hours. Short interest drops huge after Friday, even though price barely changed. Ooh. Yeah, but how many shares did they trade on Friday? Wasn't it like 1 billion? Clay, vids on the weekend were good, but the comments and community even better. So much positivity and support and fun really gave me a boost. We will miss this when we're rich. Pringleton, here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. I don't plan on doing anything different, and I don't know if you guys do either, but I think that you can still continue all of the positivity, all of the encouragement, and continue to uplift each other even after the squeeze happens. Even after AMC short shares have been covered, and we're not here talking about AMC every day. I believe just like in general, man, in general, when you surround yourself with people who want nothing but to lift you up and see you succeed, you will succeed. You will succeed. So whether you got like 10 shares of AMC or 1,000 shares of AMC and you walk away with 10 grand or $1 million post squeeze, you know, everybody is still going to be at different levels, and I have no intentions of stopping the encouragement and stopping people from building each other up and reaching the success that they want to achieve in life. I heard that, man. I was literally at the mall, got the notification, and still hopped on to comment, even though I couldn't watch, and I was drunk listening to Nickelback, still commented. Nice, Max. And I'm glad you're listening to Nickelback, dude. That's where it's at. Guess who's back in Claybro's channel? Let's go, Apes. Salvatore Piazza. What's going on, Salvatore? Glad to have you in here, man. Whole Piazza family. We got to get these guys back in here, Piazza. What are they doing? We need the Piazza family back in the chat. Seat size does matter because everyone's got a different taste in what size they're most comfortable with or enjoy the most. Portfolios, I mean. Yes, Neil Wolf, that is exactly right, man. That is exactly right. You got to get comfortable with the size you're willing to trade. And then you start trading, and then, hey, once you get something going on, you can go bigger and bigger and bigger if you want, but you just keep whatever you're comfortable with. I'm chilling with Clay Bro after the squeeze and talk him into heading into Wisconsin. Jimmy Cap, I've been to Wisconsin one time, man. Nice people there. Nice people. I did enjoy it. I don't know, I flew into Milwaukee, but now I forget where I actually stayed. Some little town. Me too. Better chill after the squeeze, Clay, bro. That's what I'm talking about now, y'all. I have 100% expectations of doing so. Hey, Clay, just got online. What mayo are you using for your hair? What mayo? Joe, Abe, dude, I do not put mayo in my hair. There's the Amazon link down in the description below is what I use in my hair, though. It's not mayonnaise. But the Amazon link down there, you can check that out. I don't know if that one's sold out or if they're still there or whatever, but that's the one, because people do ask, so I put it in there. Stocks are like traffic. Everybody drives differently. For us to get to a MOS, we need to drive the same speed so we don't get jammed. Mazur, yes, we all need to be on the same page, at least traveling in the same direction. Shout out to my secret admirer for calling me to become a mod over the weekend. You know who you are. Shoot. Secret admirer. Secret admirer. Everybody in here admires Max Greenfield, man. Vegan mayo. That's the kind of mayo you need to put in your hair. Yes. This is how you remind me. Neil Wolf. You got me jamming in my head now. The shorting was over 55% on Friday on FINRA. So how does short interest go down 31%? Dang, dude. Was it estimated? Is that estimation or what is that? I just want to let you guys know, now even post-squeeze, I'm going to be ordering off the value menu when we go out to eat. Cheap is a lifestyle, not a tax bracket. 100% true, man. 100% true. I've gone to lunch with millionaires before, and they offered McDonald's as their suggestion. So, yes. Does not matter. Some people ball out and they don't know where they're going to get their next paycheck from. And then some people have millions of dollars in the bank and want to go to McDonald's. So, bro, killer gains on PROG today. Nick, very nice, man. You still holding, Nick, or you sell it? Did you book those gains, or what do you got going on? I tagged you on my steal photo on Twitter. Nice! That's what I'm talking about, pancakes. I'm going to have to check it out because I am very hungry. It's going to motivate me to cook some very good fried rice today. I know it will. Don't admire Max Greenfield. I'm Team Sam Blow. Ooh, Pringleton. Sam Blow needs to come back, right? Forget this Max Greenfield guy. I need more from PROG. Nice, Mazur. Where are you holding to? Where are you holding to, Mazur? AMC running in after hours. Frodo, heck yeah. We're up. Dude, we're not even running, man. We're up 9 cents right now. 20.24%. I don't know if that's necessarily a run, but up 9 cents from where we close. I know a billionaire that dresses like a bum. Not even a joke. Commander, I don't think, listen, even if I had $1 billion, I would still wear homemade Chip Bro shirts. Because I like them. I'm not going to do something I don't like. Why would you do that? I would still use my lava lamp from 20 years ago because I like it. Commander, with a friend, I missed it. Steak. Oh, steak. Yeah, steak, steel. It's all the same thing, right? It depends, I guess, how well done it is, whether it's steak or steel. Clay keeps calling you Sam anyway. Never! Pringleton being a trader in all aspects of the word. Trader, man. Happy afternoon to the clayest bro I know. You're the broest disco I know. Yeah, man, I don't know why I even have a fake name, to be honest. Nobody knows. Nobody knows, Max. Nobody knows. Clay, what's an awesome sweater? Clay, what's an awesome sweater? One that keeps you warm? Would be an awesome sweater? Right? I mean, you guys agree? What's an awesome sweater? One that keeps you warm, I guess. One that's comfortable. I'm holding PROG, calls, and shares. My biggest exposure is ATER right now. My main portfolio is AMC, of course. Very nice, Mazur. Hope you kill it on PROG and ATER. Why you hide that, Pam? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I love shorts and sandals. Dress for the beach every day. Did I miss Nick F today? Yeah, Nick F was here briefly at the start of this live, but I don't know if he's still in here. And then he was here this morning too, but he was here briefly at the start of this live, and so was Danger for a minute. And sorry for bad. Oh, that what's an awesome sweater? Oh, that's an awesome. Wait a second. That's an awesome weather. What? That's an awesome weather. And sorry for bad typing. That's an awesome weather. That's an awesome weather. What's an awesome sweater? To that's an awesome weather. Dang, Caesar got me all tripped out right now. Pringleton, a lot of staring at the screen as a mod, but I just don't sit here all the time. That's why it's good if we're 3 or 4 in the stream, bro. No, Crypto Rockets here. I completely agree. I completely agree with that. Claybro's sweater would be an awesome sweater in some awesome weather. This is awesome sweater weather with an awesome sweater that's awesome weather. Think. I do too, but deleted it and redo commented. I have no idea what's happening right now. Pringleton Ortex tweeted about lots of things being off today because of the holiday, and due to the changes, the changes were small all day long, so though they were tracking, they didn't do usual updates. Gotcha. I got some YouTube business to tend to. Hope you all have a great day. Take care, Clay Bro. Commander Vlogs. Take care of that YouTube business, man. You took like a bunch of rappers with the sweater. You look like a bunch of rappers. Yeah, man. Sweater weather. Weather sweater. Sweater weather is better than weather sweater. Get on that game, rappers. Sweater weather is awesome. Weather sweater's awesome. Sweater weather's awesome. Sweater weather's in the sweater weather's awesome. Crypto, I don't mean to brag, but mindlessly staring at a screen is kind of one of my biggest strengths in life. I guarantee, when Max goes for an interview, what is your #1 strength? Staring at a screen. They're like, excellent. You'll be staring at a screen for at least 8 to 9 hours a day here. And he's like, I'm good at it. I'm good at it. I'm here, bro. AMC Trapper's always here, bro. Good deal, AMC Trapper. I love it. You make me feel safe when you're here, for real. Okay, bye again. Pancakes! Bye again. If you're actually leaving right now, Pancakes, I doubt you come back before the stream ends. So enjoy the rest of your day. I love winter and fall because best seasons of all. I like spring and summer, I think. I like spring and summer. Fall, like I don't like winter. So like if I had to rank them, I'd probably say I don't know, because fall is really nice post a nice hot summer, but I do like summer. But spring is such a relief after winter. So, like, spring is just so nice following a cold winter. It's tough, actually. It's really tough to rank them. I just don't like winter. Weathered sweaters in sweater weather. Yes. Wear weathered sweaters in sweater weathered. Or not, you like the weathered sweater. Exactly. Neo Wolf, you got it, man. They'll ask me for reference, and I'll say, who better than the guy on screen who I stare at on the daily Clay Bro? I will give any of you guys a good recommendation. So, if you guys want to use me as a reference, I have no problem. I'll tell these guys all day long. They can stay in one position for a very long time and focus on the task at hand. No doubt in my mind. They will be able to give you guys a lot of attention from roughly 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and then 1 p.m. to around 3 p.m. Eastern Time. It's 100% dedication to you guys. Clay, obviously, don't put pressure on anyone to be here all the time. I put pressure on myself. When I sell my apartment, then I'll disappear a bit like Lauren and Natalie. You better come back. You better be like the cat that came back, Crypto Rocketeer. Don't leave me forever. Clay, interviewing Max Greenfield for a wrench. So why did you leave your other 76 mod jobs? That's like M. James has 76 different mod jobs. Just meant that's an awesome sweater. Oh my gosh, apologize for the confusion. Gotta go work crazy. Hey, Caesar, enjoy work, man. I know we were messing with you. I figured it out after a while, but awesome sweater. Thank you. Awesome sweater weather, and thank you for the entire conversation that proceeded after your comment. Fact, my driveway is steep and my Buick can't drive up it even if there's a little bit of snow, and every time I shovel it, the kid's asking me over and over, why your car's in the street? What are you doing? I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you, steep driveways are bad. I don't like steep driveways. A little bit of ice kills you too. With the steep driveway, never a good thing. Needless to say, I hate that kid and I hate winter. I think you just hate the steep driveway. Really. Referee Clay, bro. Let's do it, Sam. Hola, crazy Cajun weatherman. Dude, we got a weather sweatherman, a sweater weatherman, a weather sweatherman. Weather sweater. Sweater weather. Man. It's definitely sweater weather. I can't even say it now. It's definitely sweater weather here today. My dogless walk was a little chilly on the willy. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. That is why you need a long sweater. Okay? That is why you need a long sweater. Sweater weather. Long sweater. Well, it's just a little chilly on the willy for Lauren over there in the UK. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Prickleton, because I was trying to find my one true bro, and I believe I have that here. I don't need this mod job. I want it because I want to help this family grow and become bigger/better. Dang, dude. That's just beautiful. That's beautiful right there. Lauren, mod yourself. Lauren, mod yourself now. No, Lord, yes. Matthew, didn't see what happened with Matthew having what was going on there. No, Lauren, don't retract your messages. That's perfect. Son of the moving process. Okay, move. It'll be good. Sweaty weather. Ooh, a sweaty weather, man. That's good there. Snow is the best, especially the deeper it gets. Cold weather is my jam. Give me sled dogs in a log cabin with a nice fireplace in Alaska. I'll be happy. Neil Wolf. I don't know about all that, dude. Like, bone-chilling cold, I do not like it. No way. AMC Trapper, it's okay. I have no clue what you're talking about. Oh, I have no clue what anybody's talking about half the time in here, so it's all right. A weathered sweater weatherman wondering about smoldering Smolders brothers. It's a confused weatherman right there. Time job, by mistake. Gotcha. Next question, Pringleton. He's like, bring it on. Hashtag Max the Wrench. Bring it on. I found my dream car for $60,000. 1972 Ferrari 365 GTC convertible. Come on, mother of all short squeezes. Hey, dude. Yeah, that's not bad. 60 grand dream car right there. An old Ferrari. Heck yeah, dude. The wine might be taking effect. Pringleton, it may. Clay, numero uno. Mr. Simon, numero uno. That's okay. I know my tastes are different from most. Now, I know some people who really like cold weather. I don't know. I just don't like it that much. I'd rather have warm weather. Well, considering I'm in Biloxi, it's definitely some short weather here. I don't know where Biloxi's at, man. It's crazy. Oh, it's perfectly okay, dude. Nice. Matthew's not worried about it. You guys are still friends. I was wondering why you timed him out. It must have been an accident. Imagine if Santa brought Ape's mother of all short squeezes for Christmas. Sam, if Santa brings me a mother of all short squeezes for Christmas, I'm going to be very, very happy. No joke. I think a blue wrench is nicer for you, Max. Max needs a blue wrench. I think Max needs a blue wrench too. Do anyone from chat know what was exchange reported short interest on AMC? Bob, good question. I do not know. Did it come out while I was live? Where's Nick with an Ortex update? Nick hasn't been here all day, has he? I screamed his name earlier and he wasn't here. Sweater, not better, in sweaty weather. Feather, weather, the sweater weather. Sweater in sweater weather. I don't know. Gorilla, I don't know either. Claybro, Biloxi is right next to golf court. Oh, of course it is. Of course it is. Biloxi's right next to golf court. Yes. Now I remember where that's at. If Santa brings the MOAS, he will come more than once this year. Ooh, nice. Has anybody been naughty or nice this year? Because if everybody in here has been nice, Santa might be bringing the MOAS this year. Pancakes, where are you? Get your butt to work. I'm not waiting for you at the office. Now, y'all. Dude, she's at Applebee's eating steak, man. She's supposed to be at the office right now? She's at Applebee's eating steak, man. What's going on? I was trying to select unhide a message that was under review. You can do that. Can you hide and then unhide? Gorilla, you had me for a second. Gorilla's got me too, man. Mississippi on the coast. Okay, Mississippi on the coast. Biloxi. Biloxi. Okay, Biloxi is how it sounds when you say it. Great try, Clay. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks. Biloxi. Biloxi. Emphasis on the Bill. Biloxi. 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 I don't know how to say it, but I don't know where it's at. Mississippi on the coast. Good deal, man. Sounds like a very nice place. Right next to Gulfport. Exchange already pretty short interest. It's on Ortex. If someone has access to Ortex, please. Somebody with Ortex data, help us out. I've been naughty. Sorry, Pringleton. It's good to be naughty sometimes, but when Santa's looking, you have to be nice, man. Neil Wolf has been naughty and nice. Ooh, very nice. I was nice during normal market hours, but post-market hours, I've been naughty sometimes. Max Greenfield. Well, it looks like that if we're all nice during market hours, it looks like we might get the squeeze during market hours then. Love you all, my fellow apes. Hang tight and see you on the moon. Now, y'all. Come back tomorrow, man. Don't just wait until we get to the moon to come back, please. Kenny is getting a sack of coal for Christmas. Christopher. Yeah. And we're getting the mother of all short squeezes. Clay, you're clearly about that gym life. What's your favorite movie to hype you up over the gym and or to work out? Favorite movie? Oh, man, dude. Favorite movie. Listen. I don't know if I can necessarily say one favorite movie to do that. And this might sound bad. But, you know, clearly the Rocky montages are there. But I really remember thinking this after watching Creed, okay? With, I think the dude's name's Michael Jordan, right? Dude's got some jack shoulders. He does. And it's funny that you asked that because I had that active thought. And if it's not something like, oh yeah, I gotta watch that movie to work out, but after watching that movie, like you're gonna feel pretty pumped up after watching that movie. That dude's got some jack shoulders and that dude's ripped. So if you really want some workout motivation, go watch Creed. Anybody agree with that, or you completely disagree? Like you think Rocky's 100% better? Because the dude was looking ripped in Creed. Christopher Bale, given the fuel rises, that's coal be worth more than presents. Given the fuel rises, that coal's gonna be worth more than presents. Gotcha. Read my last message, please, for the nice people. Crypto Rocketeer's last message says, for anyone wondering, you have to be a mod to see the punishment and the punished. Yes, you do. Perfect for this black heart, Christopher Bates. Maybe. The coal? Clay, you forgot the PO address. God, dude. I forgot everything, honestly, during lunch. I did not forget to read Pringleton's email, but I did forget to go on Twitter. That's a fact. Haven't seen Creed. Good? Yeah, I thought it was good. I didn't see Creed 2. I did see Creed, and I thought it was good, but I didn't watch Creed 2. We need a Gorillionaire Christmas AMC song. Dude, if we get the mother of all short squeezes, we do need a Gorillionaire Christmas song. Kentucky, holding. Ohio, holding. Crazy. Are you Hurricane Hunter out? Are you Hurricane Hunter out Kiesler AFB? What's happening right here? I don't even know. Never Back Down is one of my faves, but Rockies, I do watch over and over. Okay, so Never Back Down. I've seen that, I think, twice. And that one dude, the bad guy in that movie, he's pretty shredded, too. I don't know his name. He's pretty, and I say bad guy, right? That punk kid that just causes problems in high school. Like, he's pretty shredded. But Creed, dude. Creed was one movie that I was like, yes. It actively makes me want to work out in my mind. Creed's your good. Michael B. Jordan is a stud. Just keep in mind the likelihood of him juicing is extremely high. And before you agree, before you argue, think about the need for him to change size fast and how much money he got. Yeah, possibly, but either way, dude, he's still jacked. Still jacked in that movie. Like, that dude's got some nice shoulders. I don't know how many people think about that. Like, he's got some nice round shoulders. North Carolina holding. Texas Hold'em. Good. We got 4 states holding right now: Ohio, Texas, North Carolina, and Kentucky. Kentucky was the original. All right, here's the deal, guys. Get the state that you're in holding right now, and I'm going to give you guys shout-outs in the chat, but it is 5 o'clock. We're going to get off here. We're going to get some videos out for this evening. Make sure you let us know what state you're in and where you're holding from. I'm going to read those out, get you guys those shout-outs going. Click all the links in the description below, all that good stuff. You guys know what it is. You're here every single day. We're going to be back. We got some videos coming out. Maybe we'll do a Shiba and an AMC video tonight. 8 p.m. is going to be the scheduled release. If you get a Shiba video, it'll be a little bit before that, and so on. Creed 3 coming soon. No Sylvester Stallone, though. Oh, man. Crypto Bracketeer. Going to be interesting with that one. But we got shout-outs to Sam, Matthew, Max Greenfield, Gorilla, Neo Wolf, Marquise, Crypto Rocketeer, Pancakes is still here. Max Greenfield, AMC Trappers in Georgia right now. Max Greenfield, shout out to you. Shout out to Florida and Matthew, Pancakes, California, Cuban Handyman, Channel, Florida holding. Simon, London, UK, very nice. Kenny, Utah is holding. Frodo, SoCal, baby. Sam is from, I don't know, but he's talking about Odeon. He must be from the UK. Julie is also in Ohio. Nice, Julie, we're neighbors. Frank, Lauren, Liverpool, UK. Minnesota holding for Frank. Crazy holding in Mississippi. Pringleton, UK, Belfast. Good deal. Christopher Bates, he's got that shout out there. But no, you're not. Gullah Gullah Island, not happening. San Diego, Cali, very nice. Victor, Crypto Rocketeer, Manchester, UK. And Gothenburg, Sweden, very good. Daniel, Maine holding. California, USA, Newfo. 11 on Simon, I love you, Lauren. Yes. 11 on Simon does. Sam, London, holding. Neo Wolf. Max Greenfield is from Uranus. Very good. That's a good place to be. See you, folks. Johnstontown. Enjoy it. All right, guys. V-Chain, man. Oakdale, California. Or Oakland, California. Sorry about that. Holding XXXXX. Very nice, V-Chain. Long Beach, California for Pancakes there. Frodo, say it with me now. All of you have Man, how does Frodo know what I'm going to say? Come on now, good presentation from UK. All right, all of you guys enjoy your day, but you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.